What if I told you that you could build a passive income website in under a month, even if you barely know how to code? Today, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram video downloader website using APIs and AI, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make passive income by creating an Instagram downloader website using API and AI. The best part? You don't need advanced coding skills. Even basic programming knowledge is more than enough, because we'll let AI do most of the work for us. So before we jump in, let's roll the intro. All right, let's get started. First, open rapidapi.com. RapidAPI is a platform where you can find thousands of ready-to-use APIs for your projects. If you're new and wondering what an API is, API stands for Application Programming Interface. In simple terms, an API allows two applications to talk to each other and exchange data automatically. Once you're on RapidAPI, log in to your account. After logging in, click on API Hub. Since we only need an Instagram API, search for Instagrabber Pro in the search bar. You'll see the API listed by Premium Anime, and it was updated just a few days ago. Click on it. Here, you'll see an option to subscribe to test. To test this API, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. You'll find 4 pricing plans. Free plan, 100 requests per month. $3. Plan, 5,000 requests per month. $9. Plan 20,000 requests per month. $49. Plan 500,000 requests per month. For this demo, I'll use the free plan to show you how everything works. After subscribing, you'll see different sections like params, headers, body, and authorization. We'll only work with params. In the URL field, paste an Instagram Reel link. On the right side, you'll see code snippets, example responses, and results. Inside code snippets, you can choose multiple programming languages. I'll select PHP. Now click Test Endpoint, and you'll instantly get the API response, including the direct video URL of the Instagram Reel. Copy this PHP code snippet. Now it's time to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Open ChatGPT and type, "Provide me a PHP code so that I can run the below code after submitting a form using Bootstrap 5.3. Paste the copied PHP snippet and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a complete HTML plus PHP file for you. Next, open XAMPP and go to the htdocs folder. Create a new folder named Instagram HP and open it in VS Code. If you don't know what VS Code is, it's a code editor and you can download it for free from the official website. Inside the project folder, create a file called index.php. Copy the ChatGPT generated code and paste it into this file. Now start your XAMPP server, open your browser, and run the project. When you paste an Instagram Reel link and submit, you may see an error. That's because the API key is missing. Go back to RapidAPI, copy your API key, and paste it into the code. Submit the Reel link again, and now you'll see the API response. But there's one problem. We don't want to show raw JSON data. We want to display the video directly on the page. So we go back to ChatGPT and type, "I want to show the video URL in a video tag after showing the result." ChatGPT updates the code, but it still doesn't work. Why? Because our API response uses data, not media. So we clarify again and type, "My response format is like status, true, data, 0, URL, and there can be multiple data keys like 0, 1, 2. I want to show videos in a for each loop. Now, ChatGPT gives us the correct and final code. Copy it, paste it into index.php, refresh the page, and boom. You now have a working Instagram video downloader with a video preview and download button. From here, you can use ChatGPT to improve the UI, add headers and footers, make the website more professional, monetize it with ads or premium features, and that's how you can build a passive income website using APIs and AI. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel to become part of the family, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.